Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see description on short video on YouTube. Now let's get started. First, after you open your YouTube apps, and after this, in here you just click on short video icon at the bottom. This one, click on it. And after this, if you wanna see description on short YouTube, so you just click on a three dots icon in here, click on it, and in here you can click on description, and in here you can see the description at your YouTube short videos. This one, okay, sorry, like this. And so that's how to see a description on YouTube, on short video YouTube. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.